If you're tired of messy luggage and struggling to find your essentials while traveling, say goodbye to travel stress with the Tripped Travel Gear Compression Packing Cubes. These cubes are not your ordinary packing organizers. They are a game changer for every traveler. Let's take a closer look at what makes them exceptional. Voila, your luggage is now neatly organized, and you have extra space for souvenirs. These packing cubes are incredibly versatile. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway, a camping trip, or a backpacking adventure, they're your perfect travel companion. Don't just take our word for it. Our customers love the Tripped Travel Gear Compression Packing Cubes. They've rated them as the best travel accessories for hassle-free journeys. We're confident you'll love these cubes as much as our other satisfied customers. But if for any reason you're not completely happy with your purchase, we offer a 100 satisfaction guarantee. Say goodbye to travel chaos and hello to effortless organization with Tripped Travel Gear's Compression Packing Cubes. Get your set today and travel with confidence. Visit our website to order your set of compression packing cubes now and experience the joy of stress-free travel. Tripped Travel Gear, your ultimate travel companion. Tripped Travel Gear. Travel smarter, travel happier. Link in comment box.